Hey there, welcome back. I'm Steve, and tomorrow we are actually going out on a adventure, I would call it. We're going to an event, and as part of that event, I am shooting a lot of video, documenting it, similar to what I did when we went to Canton a couple weeks ago to the quote world's largest flea market. And this event we're going to is a homestead fair, and this location is just it's north of Waco, I believe it is. But the Homestead Fair is a community where a bunch of people have gotten together to basically create a community around homesteading, farming techniques, and just doing a lot of things, being self-sustaining and that type of thing. Um, we've gone a couple years ago. It's kind of cool just because they do a lot of things the old-fashioned way. They have a smithy where they're actually doing blacksmithing. They have farm, fully functional farm and mill. And it's just, they have all these different things you can go into and take your family and explore what they have there on facility and see these things and actually get to do some of them too. So it's a lot of fun, just kind of a good thing to go out and do on a Saturday afternoon just after Thanksgiving here in the US. But anyways, what I'm doing is thought I'd show you what I'm taking with me to go film and all the gear that I'm going to be using in my little escapade. So just thought I'd run through a few of the things that I'm taking with me in case you're interested and want to see what's happening. If you want to watch the video, I will be posting it on my other channel at Steve Eason Media, which I'll put a link to below. And I'll have that probably a few days after I'm done when we do the video, go do the editing and all that stuff. So anyways, so what I'm bringing with me, first and foremost, most important thing, El Drone. This drone is a DJI Air Pro 3, Air 3 Pro, I forget how that goes. But I got this for my trip to Scotland. Love it, it's great, it's fantastic. It does everything I need it to do, and it's a really cool toy. So I'll be using that to get some good aerial shots as much as I can with it. Then next, I'm not sure if I'll be using this for sure in the shop, but I'm taking it with me just in case. I might use it to get some street footage driving there. I have a suction cup over here. This thing is awesome. This thing is so good. But this is a GoPro 10 Black, so it's an older version of it. And it mounts to the suction cup, which you can put on the hood and get video right out in the front of the car. So it's fantastic. It's a lot of fun to do that. But I'll have that, and I also have my GoPro stick in case I decided to carry it around with me. That's one way of doing it. I just picked this up. I'm not so sure I'm going to keep this, but I'm going to play with it on this trip, mainly because I need to find out if I want to keep this or not. This is the Sony SV-EV10. I believe that's right. Yeah, SV-E10 Sony film camera. It's a vlogging camera. I've used it for some video shots. The problem I have with it, there's twofold. One, the lens that came with it is not a wide-angled lens that I want to use for inside the office and for when I do shots here at the desk and those types of things. I would need to get another lens for it, which is going to add another like $300+ to add another lens. So I'm like, more money into something I want to use for this, and it's more of a look. What I really want is that wide view look with depth of field. But my iPhone does so much. I'm happy with it. I mean, I'm recording with the iPhone right now. So I'm not sure if I'm going to commit to this and keep it around. So big test for this weekend. So I'm going to be doing both photos and video shooting with it, trying to get as much exercise of it so that I have an understanding if I want to keep it or not. So I got to make a decision on that pretty quick. So that's what that's for. Taking that down, play with it. I have a tripod I'm going to bring too, and the tripod so I can get some steady shots and a little more solid video and such. We'll play with that. And then I'm also bringing the DJI Mic 2, which I'm using right here, right now to record this. Love this thing. This is great. This is the 2-pack with both modules, and a charging station and all that. Really, really cool device. So definitely bringing that. I'm bringing the iPhone 16 Pro Max, which I'm recording with right now. And it is on my DJI Osmo 6 gimbal. So I'll be using the gimbal probably there too. And anything else? Rechargeable batteries. I mean, I've got 6 batteries for the GoPro. So, not 6. I've got 3 batteries for the GoPro and a charging unit and an extra one. So 4 batteries. I get my numbers wrong. So I gotta have those in there. Great charging thing on the go. And I think that's it. So that's what we're taking with me. I'm gonna go down, do as much as I can on video, and we'll put that together for the video for you to see here, hopefully in the next 3 or 4 days. So anyways, if you want to check that out when it comes out, again, if you want to go check out the other channel, it's at Steve Eason Media. And I just thought maybe on this channel, you might enjoy knowing what kind of tech I'm using creating these videos and the other videos you'll see over there on the other channel. So thanks for joining me, and hopefully we'll see you in a few days with some new content. And I appreciate it. Thanks a lot, and we'll talk to you later.